Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft against the window, and makes believe you love me one more time for the good time. I'll get along. You'll find another, and I'll be here. You should find you'll never leave me. Don't say words about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your